Hi everybody. I don't know what my Miss Tessa is up to, but I got a feeling she's waiting for that door to open up. She's been mooching all over the glass here. What are you doing? Are you saying to Mum, I think I might come on out and say hello to you today? Well, you're cheeky. You're just cheeky. But I got a feeling that there's more to it than just wanting to come out. So have you feeling that you might need to go to a bathroom or something, Tessa? Hey? What? You're going to need my help, I think, a little bit. What do you think? Hey? So as I said, she's not quite that I'll come to you, but certainly this is always progress when you open the door, and yeah, and I guess a lot of you do have that happen where your snake is happy to venture out on their own, and that's great. You know, that is, you know, what you want to see. I'm just going to slip my hand under her just to see if she wants to use, I mean, remembering Tessa's very long and I need a couple of hands when I'm holding Tessa. She can go really high, as you can see, and I really don't want her going up top at this particular point at all. Hi darling. Hi darling. It's Mum. It's your Mum. Hey? Oh, she knows that there's that up there, but you know, she'd be such a terror to get down at this hour of the morning, and it's early, guys. It's really early morning for me, but it's obvious that Tessa wants to come on out but do her own thing. That's what Tessa's saying. I don't want to go with you, but I'm happy to wander off and do what I want to do. And I'm wondering, I see. It's not about that Tessa wants to go to the toilet. What this is about is Tessa's already been to the toilet, guys. So, I'm just going to, I don't know where to put you, because I don't want her going right up to the top, as I say, but she wants me to, I'm going to get the jungle gym for you, honestly. Give me a tail. Probably not the best, sorry guys, I know you can't see me, not the best place to have Tessa being so big these days. Oh, I can still hear her belly gurgling. You know, not the best place to have, I'm grabbing the camera now. Not the best place to have Tessa up high. I don't know what you can see and can't see. But she desperately wants that enclosure cleaned. You know, it's about, they're dirty in their enclosure, and it's like, now you can clean it. Thanks, Tessa. I will, as I carry her back over to where I can keep my eye on her, of course. well, as best as I can. There you go, sweet. You're all good? So that's what it was all about with Tessa. Get me out of here. I've made a mess in my enclosure, Mum, and I need you to clean it up for me. And oh, as my dog walks past her, it's more about you know, because Tessa's still that little bit flighty girl, I have to watch her around my other animals. As much as I say to you, they're all very much used to one another. Tessa is yet to get to where she's comfortable, so I very much, you know, watch her around the other ones. As you can see, she's not too impressed with the fact that she didn't get to go up, but it would be such a struggle for me to get her down from that hangout spot. And she's so active and moving that she's all over the place. And if I'm going to be cleaning out that enclosure, I don't need to be having to keep my eye on this little girl and clean out her enclosure. So she can hang there. I've got the heater going because it is like only, I don't know, it's cold, guys. It's not that warm here. It's 25 in this room. I've had the heater going, I don't know, about half an hour, so it's still yet to really warm the room up. So that's what was going on with Tessa. See, if you observe them now, knowing Tessa, and that, you know, she isn't really at that point of wanting to come out yet. But what's going on? Why are you all over that door? Either you need to go to the toilet or you've been to the toilet. It's one or the other. And of course, she's already been to the toilet. Now, that was her just saying to me, okay, I've made a mess. I ain't hanging in here. You can come and clean it up. So that is what I'm going to be doing for her, because that's what we do for them, is clean up their mess. Thanks, Tess. Just what I really wanted. The sun's come up. I'm trying to catch up on videos. I took a complete day off yesterday, and it's amazing. You take one day off, or 1.5 days off, I would say it's been, and I'm so far behind, but I will catch up. So I'm going to finish off and clean up this girl's mess for her, which I'm sure she will appreciate. So take care of yourself, your family, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao.